Hi everyone, the first thing we're gonna do is go and create a Hue Saturation Adjustment layer. Press the shortcut key D on your keyboard to set the foreground color to black. Then go to the Master drop-down menu and select Yellows. This way we're only going to affect the yellow colors of the image. And just drag the hue slider now, and let's make her shirt this red color. And as you can see, all the yellow parts of the image get affected. The book, for example, was yellow and it became red. Let's pick the brush, and with the layer mask selected for the hue saturation layer, click and drag over the book to make it yellow again.